Then amount nitasema 100 bob. So 100 bob. Then hapa hivi kwa recording I want to save daily. Utakuja hapa hivi chini uchague daily. If for you it is weekly, you're going to do weekly. If it's 4 weeks, that is a month. Monthly, hivyo. You get So for me it's going to be daily 100 bob. So I'm going to select like that. So do you want to pay now? So just read the details there. We are getting ready to process your payment now. Kindly ensure you have 100 bob in your M-Pesa account. An M-Pesa payment request will be sent to 0714. That's my number. So you have already scheduled your M-Pesa account to deduct whichever amount that you have chosen every single day to go to your money market fund. That way. Hi everyone, I hope this video finds you well. My name is Martin, in case you're here for the first time. Na sisi ni watu wa insurance. In this channel we do two things. We do civic education as well as reviews on insurance, especially within the Kenyan market. Now in today's video, I just want to do it very short and very precise. Have you ever found yourself in a place where you cannot be able to account for 100 bob, 200 bob, 300 bob on daily basis because maybe you spend on unnecessary things? You see unnecessary expenditures. For example, you buy bundles, unanunulia watu chai, you get yourself, maybe you know yourself and your money habits. I personally, I know myself, I'm not a very good person when it comes to accounting for every single shilling. There are those people who are very accountable. Ukimuuliza umefanya nini na so, umefanya nini na 200, umefanya nini na 500 during the course of the day, they can be able to account for every single shilling. But if you're not that kind of a person, then this video is for you. And also maybe if you know even how to account for your money, this video is going to enhance your saving culture or your spending culture. You get? So today's video is about how to place a standing order in your M-Pesa account and have that money that you cannot be able to account for directed to an investment account that we call money market fund. I told you earlier that nowadays insurance companies are providing you with investment options, and one of the investment options that you have with insurance companies is money market fund. So a money market fund, I'm going to do a different video explaining the same, but in a nutshell, a money market fund is an investment account that is short term. You get? You can deposit your money and you can withdraw that money in the course of the month, or maybe after 2 weeks. For most companies, after 2 weeks you can be able to withdraw that money, and it kind of operates the same way that you operate your bank account. So if you have a bank account and maybe that account is not giving you some money, I would rather advise you maybe to put that money into a money market fund because it's going to give you an interest of between 10 and 15% depending on the rates at that particular time. So now today's video is not about money market, it's about how to place a standing order in your M-Pesa account and save that money, that 200 bob, that 100 bob, that 20 bob into a money market fund account. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. You don't need an agent to help you. You don't need to go to the insurance company. You just need to follow these simple steps that I'm going to show you. And at the end of every single day, for example, if for me, I choose to save 100 bob every single day, na ninasema at every 8 p.m. ni lazima niweke 100 bob ama 200 bob. I'm going to do that and I'm going to set it up in my M-Pesa account such that ikifika saa 2 ya usiku 200 bob inakuwa deposited into my money market account. You can imagine 200 bob is 6,000 a month. But nisipofanya hivyo, I can spend the same 6,000 bob a month on unnecessary expenditures without me knowing. You get? Nimenunulia mtu chai, nimenunua maybe kakitu sababu nilikuwa naona niko na pesa. You get? So if you don't have good money culture ama behavior, this is the best way to account for every single shilling that comes into your pocket. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So the number one thing I want you to do is to save this number 0705 100 100. That is a Britam customer care service, customer care number. So I want you to first of all save that number because it's the one that we are going to use to open a Britam money market fund. I know there are different money market offering companies, but for now just allow me to use what I have, and then maybe later we will review other options. So after you have saved that number, I want you now to go and on your M-Pesa, or not on your M-Pesa, on your WhatsApp, and then you refresh the contacts like that, And then after you have refreshed the contacts, then come and search Britam. So here it is. You open Britam. Okay, I've already used mine. So yours, I know it will not have any conversation. So the first thing that you do when you come to the WhatsApp, you say hi. Okay. Ukisema hi, is going to respond to you. Watakutumia that, So you're going to read that, hi Martin Britam, welcome to Britam, tell me how I can help you, blah blah. So this is an automated chat. Okay, so you unatap hapo hivyo kwa tap to view menu. So you have different packages there. So all the way from buy student PA cover, invest in with Britam. So I'm not going to go through all that. I'm just going to give you that time you go through it. So unachagua invest with Britam, then you say send. Then welcome to your exciting financial journey. We are excited to connect with you. So they are going to ask for some of your details. So please enter your national ID. So I'm going to use mine. Like that. Then thank you. Let's begin with creating your account. What type of account do you want? So uchague money market fund. So we are going to chagua that money market fund. Would like to know your name, you by name. Please enter your first name. So my name is Martin. Like that. Please enter your last name. My last name is Kingori. Thanks for sharing. Next, we will need your KRA pin. So where's my KRA pin? Let me check. I think I had sent them. So my KRA pin, yes, here it is. Sorry. Let me check where I had sent them before. Yes, this one. Copy. So I'm going to send them my KRA pin here. Perfect. Next, tell us your email address. I'm going to put my email address. So that's my email address. What's your current physical? I'm going to say I'm in Nairobi. Then they are going to confirm. They are going to confirm your details, or they are going to put your details together, and then for you to confirm. Can you confirm the information above is correct? Yes, it's correct. So have you been referred to this solution by a financial advisor? Now, because I'm the one who is guiding you through this process, so you are going to say yes. Okay, you say I am the one who has so the name of the financial advisor is Martin Kingori Gatero. Okay, so that is kind of promoting what I'm doing. You promote me, you say ni Martin Kingori Gatero, financial advisor amekurifa. So the name of financial advisor is Martin Kingori Gatero. Like that. Then please enter the financial advisor's phone number. 0714 431 036. 0714 431 036. That's my number. Like that. Thank you. Your financial advisor details have been captured as below. Financial advisor's full name, Martin Kingori Gatero. Financial advisor phone number 0714 431 036. Confirm the information above is correct. Yes, that's correct information. So please accept terms and conditions. So you can open this link. So you can open this link just to read through the terms and conditions. So after reading, you come and say yes. So the minimum amount you can save per day is 100 bob. So you can do 100, 200, 500, 1,000 bob per day, or either per month or whichever. So for me, I wanted to be per day. So for me, let me just do 100 bob. Like that. So create account and invest now. So we are going to create account and invest now. Your account has been created. Okay. So do you want to pay now? So just read the details there. We are getting ready to process your payment now. Kindly ensure you have 100 bob in your M-Pesa account. An M-Pesa payment request will be sent to 0714. That's my number. To make payment, click on pay now. Blah 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 blah. So I'm going to pay now, just like that, and then they are going to send me. They are going to send me. They are going to send me this prompt to put my PIN. Okay, so I'm not going to put my PIN because I'm not opening another account. I already have like 2 accounts, so I'm not going to open this account. So let me cancel. So for you, you are going to pay. You go utaweka tu PIN yako, then me ikuwe imeenda namna hiyo. Okay, kindly wait as we process your payment. We are verifying your payment. Okay, so after now I have paid, and because I'm not going to pay, they are going to send me an email. They are going to send me a message indicating that they are going to send me an email where I will have the details such as policy number and all that. So watakuandikia hiyo hapo hivyo chini that they are going to send you an email confirming your policy number and blah blah blah, all that. So we are done with opening that account. Umeweka pesa na imeenda. Now, hii ndio part yenye nilikuwa nakwambia, now you can schedule the 100 bob ama 200 bob yenye umeweka hapa hivi, the way you can schedule it iwe ikikatwa every single day. For example, ukisema ni saa 2 ya usiku hiyo, so inakatwa, inaenda direct. So you need to go to App Store and download M-Pesa. You are going to download M-Pesa app. This one here. It looks like this. So utakuja hapa chini, we have a option hapa hivi, my Safaricom. We have 4 options. That is zenye ziko kwa display, but you can also look at others hapa hivi kwa view, but we are just interested in M-Pesa Ratiba. So utakuja hapa hivi ufinye M-Pesa Ratiba. Ishafungua. Then you see, like for me, I have already scheduled my account here. BAM. This is Britam Asset Managers. So for you, you are going to click on this plus sign like that. Okay. Then you are going to go to pay bill, not send money. This is pay bill. Then you subscribe, or you unaweza hapa hivyo kwa subscription name unaweza sema Britam MMF, Man Market Fund, MMF, like that. So pay bill utaweka 50,005 like that. Then kwa your account number ndio yenye watakutumia kwa email. Your account number is the one that they are going to send you to your email address. So that is the policy number. Utaiweka hapo hivyo. So for me, I'm not going to, wacha tu niweke tu any number like this. Then amount nitasema 100 bob. So 100 bob. Then hapa hivi kwa recording, I want to save daily. Utakuja hapa hivi chini uchague daily. If for you it is weekly, you are going to do weekly. If it's 4 weeks, that is a month. Monthly, hivyo. You get it? So for me, it's going to be daily 100 bob. So I'm going to select like that. Ninataka ianzie lini? Nataka ianzie kesho. Okay? 13th day. So by the time I'm shooting this video ni 12th December. So 2024. Like that. Then I'm going to select itaisha na huko 2030. Okay? 2030. So select like that. So once I'm done, I'm going to click continue. Okay? And because I have not put the correct account number here, I'm not going to press continue because this was just for the sake of demonstration. The purpose of this was just to show you, to demonstrate how you're supposed to do it. Okay? So that is the process. Then you click continue. Ukisema every single day iwe ikikata, so ama hiyo so mbili ama so tano, then you are going to set it that way. Okay? So you have already scheduled your M-Pesa account to deduct whichever amount that you have chosen every single day to go to your money market fund. That way you'll be able to avoid the unnecessary expenditure. You are going to avoid misuse of small monies, and that is ile pesa yenye unajua unanunua motura, unasijui unafanya nini. Those unnecessary things that probably they do not make any commercial sense. You get? Umetumia pesa sababu uko na so. You get? So that is how you can do it. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I hope you are getting value from this channel. And I'm also requesting you that you keep sending those questions, and we'll be able to tackle them one by one in form of a full video. Okay, I have a number of questions that I haven't been able to address, but in the coming videos we'll be able to do so. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for everything. God bless you. And until we see you in the next one, is a God bless you and bye bye.